4 in auto service, and we just got the turbo blow-up valve installed. You guys have to hear how it sounds. They just started up, so I'm gonna make them do it again. But here's a CLA 45 AMG if you guys haven't seen it already. I'm doing a couple things to it. We have the blow-up valve installed. We have the air intake updated from a 2.5 to a 4-inch inlet, and then we're also getting an ECU piggyback. So we're gonna start it up and hear that turbo blow-up valve. That is a mean mofo right there. You heard that?